This is a gate questions based on diode circuit. This question was asked in GATE 1997 for 1 mark. In the circuit of figure, the current ID through the ideal diode, that is 0 cut-in voltage and forward resistance, is equal to. In the circuit, we have to consider this diode as an ideal diode and we have to find the current through this diode. So we can solve this circuit by using source transformation method. So first let us see what is source transformation method. What is source transformation means? Consider if we have a voltage source, then we can convert this voltage source into current source, and vice versa. If we have a current source, then we can convert this current source into voltage source. So let us take one example. We have a circuit with a voltage source of 30 volts and this circuit is connected to a resistor in series, and this is connected to a electrical network. So let us consider this as some electrical network. The value of this resistor is, let us take 10 ohm. This circuit, we can convert this into current source as, let us take one current source, and this resistor we have to take in parallel to this current source, and again this is connected to some electrical network. So the value of the resistor remains same, 10 ohm, and this current value we can calculate by I is equal to V divided by R. That is, the value of voltage is 30 volts divided by resistance 10 ohm. That is equal to 3 amperes. Like this, we can convert the voltage source into a current source. So let us see how we can convert current source into voltage source. So let us take one example. Here we have a current source and the resistor will be in parallel to this current source and it is connected to some electrical network. So let us take this resistor value as 20 ohm and the current value as 5 ampere. Now we can convert this current source into voltage source by, let us take one voltage source. Here whenever we convert this current source, the resistor will be in parallel to the current source. So whenever we convert this current source into voltage source, the resistor will be series with the voltage source. Then this circuit is connected to some electrical network. So the value of the resistor remains same, that is 20 ohm. And this voltage is calculated by using V is equal to I into R. Here the value of current is 5 ampere into the value of resistor is 20 ohm. That is equal to 100 volts. This voltage is 100 volts. Now we saw how we can convert voltage source into current source and current source into voltage source. So let us apply this concept in this diode circuit. So here now let us consider this circuit. So now let us take this circuit. Here we can convert this part of voltage and resistance. So we can convert this part of voltage source into current source. So let us convert this. here the value of the resistor remains same, but the current value will be I is equal to V by R, that is 10 divided by 4 ohms, that is 2.5 amps. So this, the value of this current source will be 2.5 amps. And now here we can see these two resistors are in parallel, so we can convert these two resistor effective resistance. So let us do that. So here, after taking the effective resistance between the two resistors, here we have current source, that is 2.5 amperes, and this effective resistance, and the effective resistance will be 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, that is equal to 2 ohms. So here the effective resistance will be 2 ohms, and this diode circuit. And here we can convert this, current source into voltage source. So let us do that. Here if we convert this current source into voltage source, we will get resistor in series, and here the value of voltage will be, so the resistor value remains same, and the value of voltage V is equal to I into R. So the value of current is 2 into value of resistor is 1, that is equal to 2 volts. It is 2 volts. So further, if we convert this current source into voltage source, we can easily find the current through the diode. So let us do that. Here we'll convert this current source into voltage source, so the resistor will be in series when we convert into voltage source. So here the resistor value is 1 ohm, here the resistor value remains same, that is 2 ohm. This value of voltage will be V is equal to I into, so here 2 volts, the value of resistor will be V is equal to I into R, that is the value of current is 2.5 into the resistor value is 2, that is 5 volts. So when we got this circuit, so when we see the question, it is an ideal diode. Ideal diode means there is no voltage drop across the diode, that is cut-in voltage. Normally for silicon the cut-in voltage will be 0.7, and for germanium the cut-in voltage will be 0.3. Here since it is an ideal diode, there is no cut-in voltage, so we can replace this diode by a closed switch. So here we have 5 volt, here we have 2 ohm resistor, and this diode we can convert into closed switch, and here we have 1 ohm resistance, and here it is 2 volt. So now we can easily find the current ID, that is ID is equal to 5 minus 2 divided by this effective resistance will be 3 ohm, that is ID is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 divided by 3 ohms, which is equal to 1 amps. So here the correct option will be option C, 1 amps.